So we are back again with another review video, and unlike other videos, this one is going to be really special one because we have something really unique today. And in today's video we will be building an AI project using this T5 AI development board, and we will control a smart light with our voice. So we were sent these two boxes. Let me show you what's inside. That third box is something else and we will come to that later. First, let's open this one. Okay, so here we have the T5 AI development board itself. Look at how beautifully it's designed and how solid the build quality is. Actually great. And here you can see the Tuya branding over here. And then here in the second box, we get a mini screen. It's almost a 3.5 inches TFT LCD screen, and this is how the rear side of it looks like. And at the last we have this mini camera as well. You can actually use it to build AI projects which require camera, and it's not necessary to use the camera unless you are building a project that really requires a camera. But it's a good thing that they have included this in the package. Alright, let's have a closer look at the board now. So this is a connectivity module as it supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then here we have a couple of ports, a Type-C port and a USB-A port and a micro SD card slot. And here on this side we have two buttons. One is reset and one is labeled as key, and then this one is for the speaker output. And then these are the two microphones which are really good at capturing the audio even from some distance. Now let's attach the LCD with the board. You can see these connectors over here. So it goes something like this, and then after that press it slightly harder and here you go. Now let's turn it on by simply powering it up with a Type-C cable, and here I have connected it with my laptop. You can connect it with anything like a Type-C power adapter or something. So currently you can see here no Wi-Fi is connected. So when you turn it on for the first time you won't get this screen, but there will be a dummy UI because this UI comes actually after flashing it. That's exactly what I'm going to show you now. So let's see how we flash it. First of all, go to Google and type in Tuya developer, and then open this first link. Simply sign up and then log in. The process is really simple. And then after that you will see this screen. From here just go to this AI product panel on the left side, and then from here you will see a lot of products. Simply select this audio variables and then go to this AI companion robot, and then select Tuya OS and desktop AI robot. And now here just type in some name for the product and any product model and hit create. Nothing to worry about, just ignore this error. Now we go to AI product again, and here is our chatbot created successfully, as you can see. Now click on the develop and then ignore these errors again. Just click OK. Go to product AI capabilities, click add agent, and then choose this option here and confirm it, and then click create. Now an AI agent for our chatbot is created. Now click on details. Okay, so now from here click on the development version, and now just simply go to this Western America option and click on this little plugin button. Go to device control and add this device control skills because it is must to add, otherwise you won't be able to make the board work properly on your smart devices. Now you can see it needs to be configured as it is giving error here. Just click on it and then go to this tools configuration and simply tick the first option, or you can also tick all of these three. And alright, it's configured successfully. Now just release it. Write anything here and hit OK. Now we are done with this setup, and it's time to purchase the UIDs and keys for the board to connect it to the cloud. But don't worry, the first couple of these are free to buy. So click next here and then again next, and from here choose this first option. And then click on get free 2 licenses. And follow this process and place the order. You will get the license in just a few minutes. Simply refresh the website after some time, and here you can see, and here you can download the license list. You will need to verify your email here, and here you go. You will get this Excel sheet where we have the two UIDs and two keys here. Now let me show you where to use these and how to flash the Tuya T5 AI board. For that, you will need a firmware file which you can download from the link in the description below. The flashing process I'm going to show you is very simple and easy, and it took me a lot of hours to find this method because I was trying it all manually on the terminal and downloading a lot of drivers and stuff like that, but the customer support of Tuya is really great. They helped me with the installation process and provided me with this web-based flashing tool. So just go to this link from the description below. You will see these three options here. Simply go to this firmware option over here. First, connect the AI board with the laptop and then click on this connect serial. Select any port from here. You can see it's connected now, and then just scroll down and choose the firmware file. And then simply start flashing. So it will just take like 2 to 3 minutes, and as you can see, the process is going on and it's flashing. And yeah, it's done. Now our chatbot is ready to use, but one more thing. Go to this Tuya open authorization panel over here, and here you can see two boxes. So simply paste your UID and key over here, which we downloaded previously, and hit the write authorization button, and it writes it instantly. Now let's move toward the device and see how we use it and how we build a project with it. So right now you can see it is connected, and we need to set it up first before we start using the chatbot. For that, I have downloaded this official Tuya app from the App Store, and as you open the app, you will get this pop-up of the Tuya board automatically. Just click the add button and then simply connect your Wi-Fi here and wait a couple of seconds. Okay, so now it's ready to use. You can see Wi-Fi is connected now. You can increase or decrease the volume from here. You can increase or decrease the volume from here if you have connected the speaker with the Tuya board. And also the chat history is here, all of it. Here it's mentioned that it uses GPT-4o model, and the language is English as we selected the Western America UID license. Now let's test the chatbot first, and then we will come to our main project of smart light. So first of all, let's ask it that how's the weather?
What's the weather today?
You can see it's telling me the weather of the exact location where I am, and it's pretty much accurate. It doesn't just tell you the weather, but also the air quality and everything.
What is 35 multiplied by 78?
After that, I asked a math question and it answered it correctly.
Who is Elon Musk?
And then about the Elon Musk, it provided me with full in-depth paragraphs you can see over here. Now it's time to set up the smart light with it. So I have this RGB strip light which supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in this module, and it has a button on this module. It is actually a pairing button. Alright, I have turned it on, and now let's go to the app and we will add it from here, just like we added the Tuya board in the app. And here you can see it started blinking instantly as it has entered into pairing mode. But if your light doesn't enter in pairing mode automatically, just keep pressing that button on the smart light for a couple of seconds, and it showed up here. So simply add it, and then we get all the controls of this light here in the app as well. You can change the colors and fully customize it. Actually, there are a lot of options in this app.
Now, as you can see, I have installed the strip light behind this sofa. It looks really cool here.
So let's command the board now to turn the light off.
Turn off the smart light.
As you see, it worked. I just felt that the speed of Tuya board is very slow in responses, but anyways, it performs really well with the smart devices. And now let's turn on the light.
Turn on the smart light. Turn off the smart light. Turn on the smart light.
So as you can see, I tried it multiple times and the response rate was absolutely great. Now let's try to change the color of the light.
Change the smart light color to yellow.
And boom, the color is changed. How cool is it?
Change the smart light color to red.
And here you go, the color changed to red. One more thing, if your AI board gets stuck somewhere and you want to restart the device, then just simply press this reset button once. It will restart the AI board. You can also command it to turn on the light or turn it off in specific time, like I'm doing here.
Turn off the smart light in 10 seconds.
So yeah, this is actually a great product if you are also a technology lover and they want to make things super smooth or automate things in your home. If you go into the app, we can see that here is an option to type commands. Just like the board, you can type the commands here from your phone as well.
Change the light color to blue.
But first, let's turn off the mic of the board because it's also listening here.
Change the smart light color to green.
So you can also create your own scenes, like schedule the light to turn on at specific time and some more cool stuff. As you can see here, we have a lot of customizable options. By the way, this AI board comes with these slots for screws as well. So it means you can install it somewhere in the wall and also install a body kit on it to give it a nice decent look. We also got this mini camera with it. So just let me show you how to attach it. So at the rear side of your display, you have to open this lock and place it like this and then simply lock it again. But for my project, the camera was not needed, and maybe I will make another project video on it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Anyways, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's a great product to automate your electrical appliances in your home and make your life a bit easier. You can control everything from your phone by giving it voice commands or just simply typing in some text. And if you want to buy, I will leave the link in the description below.
If you want to join their GitHub and Discord community, I'll leave the links in the description below. You can find the project and download resources here. Also, if you need any support, you can just get it in their Discord.
Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.